The first row in this fraction tower is a representation of one whole. Each of the other rows begins with a darker part, which represents a unit fraction. You can hide these side labels by clicking this button. Click again to show. This equivalence bar can be used to explore fraction representations in the tower. At any time, click here to reset the tool to its starting state. Watch this status bar at the bottom of the tool for helpful hints and messages like this one. Drag unit fractions from the tower to the workspace, or into an existing representation. Click here to show rulers. A ruler can help you make sense of a representation. This ruler shows that the whole has two equal parts. That's why you see halves. Here you see fourths. Notice that some division lines in the rulers are highlighted. This means there's an exact match with the end of a part in the representation. You can use the highlighted division lines to help you name a fraction representation. How? Decrease or increase the number of parts in the whole while looking for highlighted division lines. Click this button again to hide the rulers. At any time, you can move the cursor to just below a representation to make its ruler appear. Now let's represent another fraction. Drag to the workspace, but don't drop yet. The status bar message at the bottom says to type a number, so let's type 7. Now drop. This longer line shows the end of one whole, so this fraction representation is greater than one whole. Here's one last thing about the tower. You can personalize it by changing the settings. For example, you can change the width or the height. You can click here to change the colors. When finished, close the windows. The I button is always available for more information and supports.